Did you know that 1 in 4 teens are bullied? Lion Brand has partnered with Stomp Out Bullying to take a stand with Hat Not Hate. It's easy to get involved. Knit or crochet a blue hat and share it on social media with the hashtag #HatNotHate. Then wear your hat on World Bullying Prevention Day, October 1st, to tell the world that you stand up to bullies. Need some inspiration? Lion Brand's created over 20 hat patterns for all levels of knit and crochet. Even if you've never made a hat before, you can make one of these. And we'll be donating a portion of proceeds of select blue yarns to Stomp Out Bullying. At stompoutbullying.org, you can find resources for both parents and kids, including a confidential chat line for ages 13 to 24. And you can find all the patterns and yarns at lionbrand.com. Click in the description below to learn more about #HatNotHate.